Nature's hidden helper. What is this molecule, taurine? You might not have heard of it, but it's inside you right now, working quietly in your body. It's a fascinating natural substance, and scientists are very interested. It seems to be quite important for keeping us healthy. It's a topic worth exploring, so let's find out more. Taurine isn't quite a protein like the amino acids we know. It's actually an aminosulfonic acid, a slightly different chemical. This makes it quite unique. It doesn't build muscles directly, but it has other vital jobs. Essential roles in our cells, really. It helps many body processes, more than we used to think. Where do we find taurine? It's abundant in the animal kingdom, especially in their tissues. Our bodies can make some, but perhaps not always enough, especially as we get older. Diet can top up our levels, so what we eat matters. It's good to know the sources. Nature provides it for us. So, which foods are best? Meat, like beef and lamb. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, are all good taurine sources. Fish and shellfish are champions. They are packed full of it. Dairy products offer some too. It's mainly in animal foods, so omnivores get plenty. Plant-based diets need more thought. How do we test such things? Scientists often turn to animals. Mice are common in labs because they have shorter lifespans. This means we see results faster. So, what happened with taurine in these careful animal studies? The findings were quite striking. They opened up new questions, and honestly, a lot of excitement. One major study caught attention. Researchers gave mice extra taurine. They simply added it to their food, and the results were remarkable. These mice lived longer, around 10 to 12% longer. That's a significant boost. Imagine that for humans. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? More healthy years could be possible. It wasn't just about living longer. The taurine-fed mice were healthier. They showed fewer signs of aging. Their bones were stronger, their muscles performed better, and even their memory seemed sharper. They were more youthful, overall. Quite an impressive list of benefits, suggesting a broad impact on many aspects of health. And it wasn't just mice. Similar effects were seen elsewhere, in tiny worms, for example. Taurine helped them live longer too. Studies on monkeys also showed promise, with improvements in their health, like better blood sugar control and reduced body weight. This hints at a widespread role, across different species even. So, what does taurine do? It appears to be a cell protector, helping keep our cells robust and working efficiently. Think of it as a maintenance molecule, helping to prevent wear and tear. This is a simplified explanation of its protective qualities. Imagine your car. It needs good quality oil to keep the engine running smoothly and prevent breakdowns. Taurine might act similarly for the complex engines in our cells, helping them to function optimally, especially under stressful conditions. A key finding is this: taurine levels naturally decline as animals and humans age. Supplementing taurine in older mice brought their levels back up and improved their health. Scientists believe it tackles cell damage and helps reduce inflammation, and it supports our mitochondria. Animal studies are very revealing. But what about us humans? We also have taurine in our bodies. It's found in almost every tissue. High amounts are in the heart, the brain, and our muscles. And like those lab animals, our taurine levels also drop. This decline with age is consistent across many different species. Researchers have looked at people and they've found links or associations. Lower taurine levels sometimes go with higher risks of certain illnesses, like heart disease or diabetes or increased body inflammation. These are observations, mind you, not proof of cause and effect. Correlation doesn't equal causation, but it does give us clues. The really big question remains, can taking extra taurine help us? Could it help us live longer and stay healthier as we age, like it seems to do for mice? We need more direct human studies. Proper clinical trials are essential to get definitive answers here. These studies are now underway, and we await their findings. Some smaller human studies exist, and they do offer some clues, suggesting potential benefits for exercise, helping muscles to recover faster, and possibly for heart function, or improving insulin sensitivity. But for extending human lifespan, the evidence isn't there yet. We must wait for more science and be cautious with claims. Let's sum up. Taurine is a natural molecule, vital for good health, and our levels decrease with age. Animal research suggests lifespan and health benefits from taurine. This is a compelling narrative. What practical steps can you take? Start with a balanced diet, including taurine-rich foods like meat, fish, and dairy. This supports overall well-being. Food first is often best. Taurine supplements are readily available and generally considered safe at recommended doses. But be cautious. Always consult your doctor first. especially if you have health conditions or take other medications. Taurine science is evolving rapidly. Could it be a future elixir? It's too early to say, but the potential is there. It's a molecule to watch. Eat well, stay curious, and follow the science.